moves and takes a spill. Alhamdulillah.
Sky turns wide, tiny stars begin to glide, covers up and hugs so tight. Alhamdulillah for this night.
Big or small,